Hello guys, let's eat. I have chicharon, baboy, and then 2 eggs and 1 tomato and vegetables, choice some. I put some salt on top of the tomato, and this is my rice, 1 bowl of rice because I'm very hungry. And this is my panghimagas, papaya. Ripe papaya is my favorite. So I just wanna share you my lunch today. Hope you enjoy it and hope you watch it. That's it. That is the chicharon. Hindi ko nilagay lahat yung chicharon kagahapon sa munggo. So still crispy. Hindi siya malambot. So ito.